Have you ever looked into someone's eyes and felt like you could read their thoughts? It's like a superpower, right? Well, it turns out that this ability is linked to something called affective cognitive understanding, which is where our brains get to work, involving a fascinating mix of brain regions and neurochemicals. Picture this. Deep in the heart of our brains, the amygdala and hypothalamus are busy at work, coordinating a symphony of emotions with the help of the striatal and subcortical regions. These parts are like the backstage crew ensuring everything runs smoothly, while the neocortical areas, including the anterior cingulate and the orbitofrontal cortices, help us make sense of it all. Now, let's not forget about the fabulous cast of characters known as neuromodulators. These little messengers, including neuropeptides and opioids, play a crucial role in our emotional experiences. Oxytocin, often dubbed the love hormone, and vasopressin are like the cheerleaders of our social connections, encouraging us to bond and feel good. Meanwhile, the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis keeps us in check, making sure our stress levels are balanced. In this emotional roller coaster, our brain's automatic responses come into play, thanks to the amygdala and the basal ganglia, while the ventromedial prefrontal cortex helps us navigate those tricky moral dilemmas. It's a complex dance between the controlled and the automatic, with the lateral prefrontal cortex stepping up to help us plan and think ahead. But wait, there's more. The lateral and medial temporal cortices, along with the dorsal anterior cingulate cortex, are keeping tabs on how we connect with others. They ensure our social interactions are in sync, creating what's known as biobehavioral synchrony. It's like a brainy dance party where everyone is in sync. However, not everything is smooth sailing. Sometimes our neurotransmitters can get a bit out of whack, leading to imbalances that might contribute to anxiety and depressive disorders. And let's not ignore the role of genetic predispositions and structural brain abnormalities, which can influence our emotional well-being. So, whether you're trying to decode a friend's feelings or just navigating life's ups and downs, remember that your brain is a remarkable place, full of intricate networks and systems working together to help you connect with the world. It's a wild ride, but with a little understanding, we can all become better at reading those minds hidden in the eyes.